I'm Denis Horvat. I'm a DJ, producer, musician, label owner. I'm doing music for 20 years approximately. I released music on Innovations, Dynamic, Afterlife, and recently started my own label, Vocabularium. Today I have audio tent in the studio here in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm gonna show you how I remixed Toto Chiveta's track. I created a new track as well. We're gonna have some talk shop. I'm gonna show you around my studio. And I'm gonna show you just the way my workflow is, recording different synths, acoustic stuff as well. I hope you will enjoy watching and learn something new.